In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop update download on iPhone. First, we begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a gear. Tapping on it will bring you into a menu filled with various options to customize your device. This is your control center for all things related to your iPhone's configuration and preferences. Opening Settings is the first crucial step you need to take in order to manage any downloads, especially when an iOS update is currently in progress. Once you have the Settings app open, look for the option labeled General. This section contains a variety of settings that control the overall functionality of your iPhone. Tapping on General will lead you to more specific options, including those related to storage and updates. This step is important because it helps narrow down your path to the storage management settings you will need to access next. Now, after entering the General menu, you will see an option called iPhone Storage. Tap on it to proceed. This area provides a comprehensive overview of how much storage space you have available and what is currently taking up space on your device. By navigating to iPhone Storage, you gain valuable insights into your device's capacity. This step is critical because it allows you to identify the ongoing update downloads and manage them effectively. Next, scroll through the list that appears until you find the iOS update that is currently downloading. Once you locate it, tap on the update to select it. You will see more details about the update, including its size and the option to delete it. Recognizing the specific update is essential as it ensures that you are targeting the correct file for deletion. After selecting the iOS update, you will see an option that says Delete Update. Tap on this option to initiate the deletion process. This action is significant because it immediately halts the download and removes the update from your device. Once you've tapped Delete Update, you will see a confirmation prompt ensuring you want to proceed. This gives you a chance to reconsider, which is useful if you may want to keep the update after all. Now confirm the deletion by tapping on the confirmation button that appears. This step finalizes the process and ensures that the unwanted update is completely removed from your iPhone. Once confirmed, you will see a brief notification indicating that the update has been deleted. This confirmation is reassuring as it informs you that the download has successfully stopped and is no longer occupying space on your device. To prevent automatic downloads in the future, return to the main Settings menu. From there, go back to General and select Software Update. Here you will find the option for automatic updates. Tapping on this will take you to a toggle switch labeled Automatically Download. Turning off this option is crucial as it prevents your iPhone from downloading updates without your permission, saving you from unwanted interruptions in the future. Finally, after toggling off Automatically Download, you can exit the Settings app, knowing that you have effectively managed your update downloads. With these steps completed, your iPhone will no longer automatically download updates, giving you full control over what gets installed on your device. Remember to check back occasionally for updates and apply them at your convenience to keep your device running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your iPhone updates more efficiently.